Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is part number 3. Okay, if you have not watched my previous two parts, then firstly go and watch that one so that it will be clear. Okay, now in my previous parts, I already explained these 4 points. Okay, now in this point we will start from here. Okay. So see here in previous part I saved the model. Okay, now we will open here that model. Simply we will click here and we can open. Okay, here click here where I save this model. Okay, I will open. Okay, see here, let's open. Now here open. Okay, so we are doing the HBAC model, right? So we have to attach the AutoCAD drawing firstly. Okay, see AutoCAD drawing here. Now I'm going to open. See IFC drawing. IFC drawing is called here. What is IFC drawing? IFC, okay, drawing, it means design drawing. Okay, you can say design drawing. Okay, like a LOD 300. Also we can say LOD 300. Okay, in terms of beam. And the soft drawing is called site drawing. Okay, it means LOD 400 in terms of beam. Okay, so here is the drawing. Okay, any one drawing, if I open, see here I open same drawing. Okay, same architecture drawing, but it's a ground floor only. Okay, because I will show only ground floor. So here same architecture drawing. Okay, same grade, everything. Okay, when I will insert this one here, so this grade and all this architecture and structure layout we will align. Okay, so it will be more like a confusing. Okay, confusing. So we are doing only the HVAC modeling. Okay, so no need this architecture layout, right? It's better practice to clean this one architecture drawing, and whatever the services you are going to do, okay, for the modeling, only keep that one element and the remaining you can delete, because this architecture drawing already is here present. Okay, so no need to be more confusing. Okay, that's why Okay, so that's why here we clean already the drawing. Okay, we can see here for HVAC, see here. Okay, the architecture and all the things we already delete, and only we keep the services which we are going to do modeling. Okay, but this point here, this point is the here is this grid. Okay, why? Because for the aligning. Okay, now clear, this point is the same point, this one. Okay, so that when we will attach the AutoCAD drawing, so it will be aligned on the perfect place. Okay, that's why. Now clear. So I close this one now. Right. Okay, and we are already ground floor. This layout is only for ground floor. So now I can insert this AutoCAD. Okay, link AutoCAD. IFC drawing, clean drawing, this AC. Okay, because we are going to do HVAC modeling. Here, see this one current view only you click. Okay, select, because only this view will show in this one view. Okay, when you will select the 3D view, then this view, AutoCAD view, will not show in all the levels. Okay, so it will be good if you select this current view only. Okay, the color is preserved. It means whatever the color in the AutoCAD, it will reflect in the Revit. Okay, and label all, and if you know the unit, you select, otherwise best option to auto detect, it will detect automatically. Okay, and positioning is origin to origin. Okay, whether this correct line that are slightly off axis you select or no select, no issue. Okay, now open. See, now it's not aligned. Okay, if we did not make this one, this grid, then how we can we would be like aligned properly. Okay, that's why we select this one grid for aligning. Okay, now just select this AutoCAD. Okay, here is the pin. Okay, here it is pin, so just unpin this one so that we can move, and here this. Okay, now this point we have to align with this point. Okay, so click this one, move from this point, and it will come here, this point, right? So already we select. Now before starting the modeling, just pin all the drawings. Okay, see, now we pin the AutoCAD drawing, and other one is the architecture, right? This is the architecture layer. Here, see, architecture. Okay, so also we can pin this one, and third one is the structure. Okay, this is the structure. Here, see, a structure, so also we can pin. Okay, so all the drawing we already pin. Okay, here now we can start our modeling. Okay, so here, from here, see, first you can create the duct, okay, and place the air terminal. All this family, if here, if it is here, this one air terminal, duct, okay, equipment, so we can place here, okay, and start our modeling, right? Now I show you. This is same. If you will go for interview, the same, this mechanical devices, this one, they will provide, okay, no need to insert the from the family. Here we can load the family, okay, but in interview they will provide all the things, no issue, okay. Now I show you about the duct routing preferences, okay. See here, if we select the duct, okay, duct, and 300 by 300 whatever size is, okay, if you select here, okay, here, and again from here, see this tab here, this is the what, this is the standard T, okay, but we have to do according to the drawing, okay. Here is the bevel, we are saying here is the bevel, okay, bevel T, so we have to load this one T, okay, this one, this transition is the, okay, is the tag, okay, but we need the bevel type, so we will select any duct, and here we will go edit type, okay, and routing preferences, here we can select routing preferences, and elbow is 1.5. If we have more space we can go, otherwise 1 into width of the duct, okay. Preferred is T, okay, no issue. But here junction is the T type, okay, so we need bevel type, right, but here is no bevel type, right, so we can also load from here we can load, okay, duct, okay, accessories or fittings, okay, rectangular and T's, okay. What is the bevel type? See here is the bevel type, right, so we can load this one. Now we can select from here to bevel type, okay, and if remaining is okay, then okay, otherwise you can change from here, right, apply and apply. Now if you will select from here, okay, you can select from here and create similar from here. So this is separate, okay. Now again we have to set, see this bevel is different, okay, so again we can load the family. This is the 45 degree, okay, we can change from here routing preferences, standard bevel, okay, the bevel, Here it's showing P, okay, but we need tab. That's why it's showing like this, okay. Here, just here, tab, okay. Apply, okay. Now this is a standard takeoff. Here T, well, lower friendlies. See, this is the cable tab, okay. Here T and tab. This one we don't need, so we can delete from here, no issue. And tab, okay. Now okay, apply. So we can check like this, okay. This is the routing preference. See, from here, here. This one is the shoe type, okay. This shoe type we can change from this side or this side, whatever, okay. Why we did like this? Because in this drawing is already given here like this shoe type, bevel type, okay. That's why we make our routing preferences as per the drawing, okay. And if you select this duct, so this one here supply type is, see, system type is supply air, okay. We can also select from here return air, exhaust air, and if we want to create more duct, then we can go here families and duct, oval duct. This is the types, okay. And if we want to create a duct system, we can create from here, okay. See, exhaust air, return air, and supply air. That's why it's showing only here 3 types, okay. Here it's showing only 3: exhaust air, return air, supply air. Here exhaust air. If you want to create more duct, then we can simply anyone we can select and duplicate, okay. Suppose return air, so we can duplicate here, rename, just rename, and we can write here return air. That's it, okay. After that, return. So this is to return, that's it, okay. We can rename it fresh air, okay. And after that, double click that one and graphic overrides. If you want, we can select here the colors, whatever the color you require, okay, okay. And pattern, whatever the pattern we want to keep, like, okay. And weight we can modify this one, and also material we can give, okay. So now when we select here, it will show 4. See, here it will show 4 because already we created. So we can create as much as we required, okay. And also the sizes, if you want to check, see, when we select this one, here size it's showing all these sizes. Okay, if we want to create the specific size, then we can also create. See, here we will click MS, and here the duct. Okay, settings. So all this one duct we can set rectangulars. See, this is the size which here it's showing. Okay, use new size, we can create from here new size. Okay, so already it is a given, that's why we select the template. Okay, now clear. Yeah, this is the routing preferences. Okay, and delete. Now we select this one, start. Here mechanical, but the problem is here in the AutoCAD some interview it's given the elevation. Okay, but here it's not given the elevation. So what will be our height for this machine? Okay, for this FCU and our system. To knowing that one, we will make the section. Okay, from here we will select the section here. Okay, click here, and after the select this one and go to view. See, we can select so here make the wireframe. Okay, now when we select this one, all the architecture, the link drawing selected. Okay, so we unable to know that what is this one. Okay, see, when we select, it's selecting all the things. Okay, all architecture drawing. So for selecting this one, just we will hover our hair cursor. Okay, and click tab. Okay, from the keyboard, tab button. Okay, tab, see, select, and now click the mouse. When we click, it's showing here compound ceiling. So now it's clear that it is compound ceiling. Okay, similarly we will hover our cursor here and select the tab, and now select. Okay, so it's showing the floor slab. Now it's clear that this is the floor slab and this is our ceiling, right? So what is the distance? We will select from here, from slab to ceiling is 830, right? And from ceiling to 2720. Now it's clear the distance. So our machines, okay, our services will be between this one 830 mm. Okay, between here we can select. Okay, so I place our FCU on the distance of 3000. Okay, right? So here we select mechanical. Okay, it's not here already. Okay, VAV unit, if not here then we can load from here. Okay, come here, and where is the mechanical? Here architecture, mechanical. Okay, water side or air side component, air handling unit or fan coil unit. Okay, so here it's given coils, air terminal, air handling unit. Okay, so AHU, rooftop, fan module, AHU. Okay, here all the machine is given. Okay, So we can select from here, otherwise we can download from other sources. Okay, no issue. See here, the reheat coils, air conditioner, air conditioner, rooftop, vertical package. So we can load any, no issue. Okay, we select the from here. Okay, we select any one size, because we are not doing the designing, we are only doing the modeling. So we can select here. Okay, select any FCU. Okay, and now when we select this one, we have to place here level. Okay, ground floor level. What was the distance? 3000. Okay, so 3000 elevation from the ground floor. Okay, now we place here. Okay, see, we place, but it's not showing here, it's not showing. So we can change here view, but when we select the view here, it, see, we unable to select. Okay, why? Because here when we see a view template is the mechanical, so we will select the mechanical template and we'll select the none. Okay, now we can here select, right, and shaded. So now it will show in shaded view. But when we click this one, the out is here. From here duct is going out. Okay, in is here. This is the inside, right? So we can move by pressing the space button. We can move like this. Okay, also we can see in our section view here. Okay, here 3000. So if you want to select more view, then upside we can adjust as per requirement. Okay, still the distance is too much. Okay, so as per the requirement we can adjust here. Now we can also, we have to firstly place the air terminal. Okay, this is the return air and this one is the supply air, right? So when we select this one, what was the distance of our ceiling? See here, total 2700, right? So here air terminal, supply air, see here supply air, and the elevation is 2006, and we can place here. Okay, same here. Okay, we can place, and now here we have to place also the return air, return diffusers. So I select return, and what is the 2700, right? So select, right? See, the elevation is 2700, this elevation is 2700, and other one is the 2700, right? Now we can start our modeling. From here we can select what is the size, 300 by 200. Okay, 300, here we can select 300, and this one is the 200. Okay, right? and from here, see, we can adjust this one, no issue. We can select this one and select from this one to this one, we can align. Okay, so we can adjust this one, no issue. Don't worry. Okay, now we have to take the tab, bevel type tab from this air terminal, right? So now again we will select the duct and again we have to adjust the elevation, right? So better just click this one time. We already set the elevation, so click here and from here we can type CS or create similar. Okay, now the tab here, what is the size? 300 into 150, so 300 into 150 here. Okay, here we can select. Why? The resulting angle is, the segment is too great or too small. Okay, here 150 we can select, right? And this one. Okay, now from here back. Okay, and again create the duct. And what is the size? 300 into 150, so 300 into 150, right? And here we can place a small duct, that's why it's not showing. Okay, 300 into 150, we can create it. 300 into 150. Okay, now we have to connect. Okay, this one, see, this is our duct, this is terminal. Okay, we can also see in from here, rotate. From here we can also check. Okay, create the section. Here. Okay, and we can connect this terminal to from here. Okay, right? So it's better here. See, we can also see this one in 3D. Just select this one and create the section view from here. Okay, see this is the view. Okay, now it's showing this green boxes, right? This green, this is the scoop box. Okay, now we VB, and in annotation category the section box, this scoop boxes. Okay, so scoop boxes we can untick and section boxes we need. Okay, see now, clear? This is our services. Okay, Now we have to connect this one, right? This air terminal to in this duct. So we will connect simply here, right? But now here the tab we select is the Webel type. So now here we can make this one standard. Okay, here, from here there is no any other fittings, right? So we have to load the fittings. Okay, we can come here, tab, and again routing preferences. Okay, load families, tab, select all at a time and load. Safety tab, this take up we can take. Okay, here the junction we can increase one tab and the not T type, the standard take up. Okay, and select OK. Okay. So again when we will go here in 3D view here, and we can now change. Okay, from here this duct fitting, the tab with the standard. Okay, so better here come here, just click this one and connect this one. Okay, but the fitting here we need the tab type. Okay, here, see here, now here, so we will delete this one, delete. Okay, come here and just simply drag and leave. Okay, now it's automatically connected with the board. See. Okay, so when you will do the modeling, you will do like this. Okay, so for fast, okay, for a smooth action, right? Similarly we can this one drag. See, we have to connect this one, right? Just select and with arrow key. Okay, and here you can come. No, because the duct is not same side, so here it will come error, right? Or just here come here, make it short. Okay, and make it same. Okay, same align from this one to this point. Okay, from this point here, or click. If it's not coming with it, then click tab, it will come here. Okay, from here, from here, you can try this one. Okay, and click here this dot or terminal and connect from this one. Okay, now it's connected directly. See, so this is our services. Here the tab. Okay, this is the transition. This transition we can select as per routing preferences. Okay, whatever one. This is our services. This is called modeling. Okay, now we will continue with same this here terminal for all this area. Okay, now we can save this one, save as project. Okay, in this one HVAC modeling, HVAC modeling, and in next video I will show you. It will be continuing. Okay, HVAC modeling. So I hope it's clear now. Okay, if anything doubt, then you can comment below and I will respond. Okay, and it will be continued. Okay, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.